Hi guys, welcome to another lecture of JavaScript. In this lecture, we will learn how to use variables. And variables are a very important subject on not only for JavaScript, but for all programming languages. So pay attention. This is going to be the base or one of the basic structures for you to learn web development or programming language and how to code. So variables, as in algebra, store values, and we use variables to store any values that you want, and later on you can use them in formulas, or you can use it to call those values that you stored on the variables by just typing the variable name. Okay, so I'm going to show you a very simple example and you'll understand right away. So let's create two variables. And to create a variable in JavaScript, you type var x. So x is going to be the name of the first variable. And to store something into the variable x, you type equal, and let's type the number 3. And semicolon. Remember to always close the line with semicolon. Now, let's do another variable called y equals to 1 and semicolon. Okay, so let's save this as let's call this variables.html. And now what we can do with these variables is, for example, let's calculate variable x plus variable y and ask for the result. So to do it, we just type x plus y. And now to show the result of x plus y calculation, we need to type document.write. Okay, remember that document.write is to output something to the web page. Now parenthesis and semicolon. Now what we are saying is, let me show you on the web page the calculation x plus y, the variable x, which is 3, plus y, which is 1, and close semicolon. Okay, now let's see the result. And there it is, 4. Okay, so you can calculate and make calculations just by storing and using variables. Okay, let's use another example. Let's say that instead of variable x, let's say variable candy and variable shoe. Okay, and let's make prices for this. So this would be 3.21 cents, and this could be $15.21 or 22 cents. Okay, so decimal values here. This is what we have, and now we can call the candy here, the candy variable, plus shoe. And let's run this, and the result, there it is. Okay, so 18.43. Now we can use several different calculations here, like minus or divide or multiply. Okay, multiplication. Okay, guys. Now this is for storing numbers or decimal numbers. What about storing text? You can also store text in variables. Okay, so let's say you have a text on the header or as the title. Let's type here title, And here, let's type description or desk. And here type news on Monday. And the description would be someone got robbed, okay? Or someone got killed. Now let's save this. And if you have to change the variables here, of course. If you type here the title and plus the description, let's see what happens. Okay, so we have news on Monday and then someone got killed. Okay, so if you still need let's say you want a space between those lines, because we don't have a space here. I'm just going to show you how to do it. It's very, very simple. You just type one more plus symbol and then a space between two double quotes. Okay, this is how we do it. And if you go back and refresh, there it is. There's the space you need. Okay, you can even put here HTML, as I will show you later on the course, but you can put here HTML tags like the P for paragraph or any HTML tag you want. So you can embed HTML tags just by putting double quotes. Now let's type a line break here so we can see the someone got killed under news on Monday. There it is. Okay. Now let's do just a very quick demonstration on how you can put also an H1 tag between the title. Okay, H1 and then plus. Okay, perfect. You can even take this out and yeah. Okay. Okay, save this. Let me run this, and there it is. Okay, so now you're starting to see how we can embed HTML, or how to mix HTML with JavaScript and create or control text on your web page. Okay, but don't worry, you will learn a lot more stuff and pretty cool things so you can work with your functionality interaction with your users on your web page. Okay, so this is it, and see you guys later. Bye.